Hi, this is Sherman with Highland Park Lapidary. I'm going to show you how to install the through bolt on your switch. So here's the technique here. So when you get it, it looks like this. What you want to do is you want to take a needle nose pliers and you want to bend this out just enough so that I can now thread the hook through my through hole. So you see I threaded that through there. And then I'm going to just take my needle nose pliers and I'm going to bend this back. And I'm almost bent back all the way. A bit easier from this side. And I like to put this up so I don't risk actually bending the wire. So you notice I have the through bolt right to the end. I don't want to block you, but I'm trying to get a good grip on this. And I'll bend it a little bit more. And so now that's on there. So you can see that, and if I want it to kind of be a little bit cinched down, I can cinch it down this way a little bit. Cinch it closed. But that's basically it. So, so that is your through bolt installation. Hey, thanks for watching today. If you like what you see, click the like button. Subscribe if you want to get more videos like this, and down below in the description you'll find a link that goes to our website. It goes to also what we showed you today, more information about that, and leave comments if there's things that you like, if there's things that you want us to do more on, if there's videos that you want us to shoot that we haven't shot. We're very open to that. We're really looking for ways to help you be successful in your endeavors with the tools and technologies that we create, as well as any other aspect of the hobby.